Hey beauties, how are you doing today? I thought I would do a balance around when we get stuck in our emotions and you don't care who gets in that way of letting your emotions out. So sometimes we've probably been in those times in our life when we're angry or ashamed or guilty or stressed or frustrated or freaking annoyed, and it doesn't matter who that person is in front of you, they're the one that they cop it. Now, there's two sides to this. Just a reminder that when we're stressed, we've got less than 1/500th of a second for our left and right hemispheres of the brain to connect and give us a logical, creative solution to it. Otherwise, we whip into our amygdala and out comes the rage, the anger, the guilt, the shame, the blame, the frustration. So 1/500th of a second is all there is between our conscious and our unconscious parts of our brain and our logical and creative sides of the brain. Not a lot of time. So firstly, we need to start to forgive ourselves in that moment because, hey, you've let it out, you've said your piece, it's not going to go anywhere. But the flip side of that is if you're the person who is copying that anger, copying that rage, copying that frustration, copying that the shame they're trying to throw on you, the blame they're trying to throw on you, the fear they're trying to throw on you. Everyone is in their own emotional evolution on this planet. Everyone is in their own spiritual evolution on this planet. We're all doing the best we can in the moment, moment by moment, day by day. So what would you say to that person if it was the last day on the planet? Are you going to hold a grudge for those last 400,000 seconds on Earth? Probably not the best use of our time. So the more we start feeling like we're living in the moment, it's easier to let go. And if we can let go, we can move forward. So this little balance is going to be around forgiveness, both for ourselves if we are the aggravator or the aggravated. So which side of it is, wherever we are in this now moment emotionally, we've got to learn to forgive ourselves. Okay, part 2.